So let's unbox the Alexander's Sky 4-in-1 magnetic bracelet from Magnetic Mobility. Inside the gift box you will find care instructions and information about the bracelet. And then the bracelet is beautifully packaged. The bracelet itself is a stainless steel bracelet, meaning you can wear it in the shower, leave it on all the time, sleeping and everything. The bracelet has a beautiful blue inlay on the outside of it, and the bracelet design is black plated stainless steel. On the back of the bracelet then we have 4 different elements hidden away. So the Neodymium Magnets, the FIR elements, the Germanium and the negative ions are all hidden in the back of the bracelet. To open the bracelet, simply pop the catch open. To put it on, you're going to drape it over your wrist with the catch open facing down. Hook the bracelet over and simply close it. This bracelet is available in a variety of sizes on our website, magneticmobility.ie. Simply choose the size that fits your wrist, or if it's a gift for someone, you can purchase it as a gift size, which comes with a sizing tool. The sizing tool allows you to remove links to make it smaller if necessary. If you don't want to receive the gift box, you can simply choose the no jewellery box option. You will then receive your bracelet in an eco-friendly satin gift bag with less packaging. That is the Alexander's Sky 4-in-1 magnetic bracelet from Magnetic Mobility.